and then ta swi addressa nambe hi xizulu hambiloko ni nga xi koti kahle mara ni la ku zama ku mazulu swi nghena la emaphusheni yenu ukuthi le nto leni istatile angeke ize iye kude. Ayeke nina abantu base-South Africa nivume ukudrive ngabantu ebengayanga esikoleni, abantu ebahlala endawonye abakwazi nokuphuma, abana-passport abanalutho, bazonitshela ukuthi hey hambani nilwisa abantu, asihambeni silwisa abantu. Uwazini nge-economy? Yena lo kuthiwa bathi yini uyiphakela ini lento leyo nalo ngizwe lo bahamba la namabhantshi bangagcokanga bafamba bazula everywhere la swiphukuphuku bakhanga va huma kwini la hikwihi la bangakhanga va ya kona vanhu lava va tiva yini timhaka ta ku huma. Now people they are suffering, vanhu lava nga na ti-business handle, abantu beze eMozambique, abantu baphuma baye Zambia, baye kuphi baye Congo, abantu banamabhizinesi abahambeli nje i-tourism kuphela, banamabhizinesi kulezi ndawo. And now mina bongizwe vamani kumanya hi ti-donation amna nchumu ka vutomi la n'wina mara muonekela ti-business ta vanhu, muonekela ti-business ta vanhu. You think South Africa is an island? No, it's a country. It's one of African countries that's had the privileges. And why people are floating to South Africa? You must think about that. This thing started years ago, 100 or 200 years ago. Mara n'wina mtsika South Africa ikulile namuntlha is growth because of people from other countries who came to work at the mines. And amangatithi makata kuvata vatatira labantu bebezela ukusebenza vakhomiwa lana hi swibalo va yisiwa joni va tirha hi nkanu. So kuzophuma izinja nje angazi ukuthi lezi zinto ziphuma aphi. And I blame Ramaphosa for inviting these dogs to his office. President Ramaphosa, you must respect the state. You must respect the office of the state. How come you invite these 2 dogs or 3 dogs to come into a office? The government is supposed to deal with this, not to invite this dog to stay to sit in the table. To do what? Huh? How can you invite a criminals who are burning down the economy to the office of the state? Come on, man. Come on, man. Now you see what's happening. People from Mozambique, other countries, they are chasing away South Africans. Maybe they came here for investments, enjoyment, things like that. But now they are being chased away. Pakalim Takatana business money. Which business? Because this guy is surviving behind the donations. So you guys are entertaining Zuma, the old man who want to become a president again. Listen to izinto zaka Zuma this. Nalezinja zake asitholile amaZulu from long time ago. They've been used by imperialisms. Zulus are being used in long time ago. Even kankari wa inkatha kutirhisiwe maZulu kumafamba madlayetela vanhu van'wanyana. maZulu ma tirhisiwile ku famba madlayetela vanhu van'wanyana. Nkarhi wa inkatha loko ANC la ku teka a mfumo va ku vona va nge fumiwi Mandela because Mxhosa. So why are you marinating these dogs, these foolish, these fools? You are marinating them, you are treating them like a king, like something. How come the government accepting peoples like Ngizwe, Nsunu, I don't know what they call it, with those Mtakati, whatever, to run or walking around without even the shades or something. They're walking naked on the street, burning all the economy. Now South Africa, people, they don't even know what to do. Now they are, what people are saying, they are praying that people from outside must come back. Ababuye, bazobuya kanjani, nibaqosha njengezinja abantu. I don't know, but these people from Takati lava, this fool, they think all we are Zulu. I don't know, maybe they think put abantu mabasuke Mozambique or bahlale ehlahleni, bahlala bathama mtsheleni. It's what becoming on their minds. Bro, we have a houses, we have a life more than you. Most of us were not coming to South Africa seeking for a job. We are coming to invest. Every investor will invest where he can see the profit. So you can't say to us that, no, go and fight on your account. We are not fighting, we are investing. We are investing. But I'm very disappointed for the president, that President Ramaphosa invite these fools to his office. That shows me that these people, they know each other. This is a deal between them. I'm very down because of what happened in Ponta d'Oro. I saw South African being chased away. All of this because of 3 fools who don't even know the world. They only come from Joburg to KwaZulu-Natal, go Joburg, KwaZulu-Natal. They never ever cross the border. Now we are seeing the same problem. We are facing the same problem in Congo. Trucks from South Africa, it's a problem now. Everyone don't want to drive to Congo. No one wants to drive to Congo because they are being threatened. But this is South African. South Africa. Why people from South Africa because these people if you and why I'm telling you, if these things continue, I'm telling you, Durban or KwaZulu-Natal, Durban will become the land of ghosts. I'm telling you, in 5 years or 3 years, investor in Durban. Who are they to go and walk around naked? Shirukulesho. I don't know why other African presidents are still marinating this thing, or even they are coming. Those presidents, even South African presidents, they are coming here in Mozambique, and they don't talk about this issue of xenophobia. They only go there, we are brothers, we are this and that. We are brothers while your kids are killing us. Yeah? Why you do this? Every time I can see this African country, special Southern Africa, there are most countries who are supporting South African business. In Mozambique, we can produce our potatoes, but we still importing potato from South Africa to Mozambique, Beds from Mozambique, appliances, everything we are bringing from from South Africa to Mozambique. Even cars. Because the companies are invested in South Africa. But most of the companies in South Africa, they are foreigners' companies. Why are you people doing this?